wants me so I can open this. Can you open this? Don't take one.
What do you have here? A Speed Storm, ready to run, scale radio control, high performance racing car.
Come on.
Here, you open it.
No.
Oops, I forgot to.
Oh my gosh.
Here, watch out.
Mommy. Look it, I got. Oh gosh. Is this battery in there?
Oh my gosh, look at all that stuff.
Oh, it's come out. Can you control it?
Yes, you can control it. Looks like Mom needs there's batteries in here. One for the car and one for the remote. You're gonna need a screwdriver to open it up.
What's a screwdriver? We don't have a
Fun.
screwdriver.
And the controller. Whoa, Sawyer, is that cool?
Yeah.
What do you think of it?
Charge it too.
We can charge it too, yes.
Where's the charging? Oh, Mom, look at this. Mommy, look at this. You can crash it. Like.
Hey guys, okay, so we got the batteries. So you need 2 AA batteries for the remote and a screwdriver.
So control it?
So we can control it. Let me put the screw back in. And then, okay, Sawyer's super excited. This is just one battery pack for in here. So it comes with an extra battery pack. And you just plug it in here.
Do you want to put it back in here? You put it back in there.
What? You put it back in there?
If you're done putting this in,
Then you put it back in there?
Here.
Got it.
Oh, back in this.
Okay. Plugged it in.
And
Push it in.
Then we control it.
So if I can do this,
If we can do this.
any dad can do this.
Or Mommy
Okay.
can do
Or
this.
Mommy can do it. That's right. And then we're going to put this
Everybody
back on.
ready? Yes.
Are you ready to play? Okay. So we have the controller and it's ready. So you have forward or backwards when you push forward. Forwards when you push backwards. And then this controls your wheels. So backwards, forwards. Are you ready? Okay, back it up. Crash! And we can't play outside today because it's raining. Can you turn the wheels? The wheels are the red one right here. Oh, he's stuck on the rug. Go grab him.
This one.
Do you like it, Sawyer?
Yeah.
Is it cool? I can play with this all day? That's turning your wheels. Yep, forward. Crash. You don't need to turn the tires. Just go forward and backwards.
Backwards.
Okay, what do we tell everybody?
He's stuck.